Every single thing that you say on the phone is recorded.
I know that. So why would I be on it threatening people?
We'll find out. I think that you are continuing to threat to the public, even while being in jail.
I don't
want you to say anything. That's okay. We're going to find out because I'm going to have them pull all the records, pull all the phone calls, and we'll listen to everything.
Okay, but I can't call nobody. Literally nobody. So what? There's no TV in my tank. There's no nothing. What am I supposed to do?
Come on, it's time to go play Fortnite. Let's go. Come on. Huh? Come on, man. I'm itching to go.
Welcome back, everyone. Today's courtroom showdown is nothing short of wild. We've got a young sovereign citizen barely, 19, trying to outsmart the law, using YouTube-fueled conspiracy ideas, and absolutely zero grasp of how the justice system operates. This isn't his first rodeo either. He's already facing aggravated assault charges. Now here he is before Judge Flecher, boldly claiming he never agreed to be governed. The court's reaction? Pretty much all right? Anyway, here's your felony. What's truly baffling is how unshakably confident he is in being wrong. My guy thinks yelling, "I'm a free man under natural law," is some kind of magic spell to erase charges. Spoiler, it's not. Test just tests the judge's patience. So here's the question: should courts keep letting these sovereign citizens' speeches play out, or shut them down with contempt the moment they say, "I do not stand under your jurisdiction"? Drop your opinion in the comments, smash that like button, subscribe for more courtroom chaos, and let's get into it.
Judge.
Whatever happened with Mr. Wiggins?
Mr. Wiggins has some bond conditions to not speak to a complaining witness in an ag assault with a deadly weapon and an ag assault family member. He then went to jail and called her twice and her mom.
I mean, what more can we do? Really?
Take the phone away.
Oh, yeah, that's a good point. We'll do it now.
He also called not only under his own name, but he also called under 3 other inmates' names.
Good morning, Mr. Wiggins.
What?
How's jail?
Cool.
It's come to my attention that you are violating the conditions that we set out in this court, flaunting it, and trying to get a hold of the complaining witnesses in these cases when we've told you not to. Go ahead.
Yes, Judge. The deputy called me this morning and said that the defendant has called the complaining witness twice and the mother of the complaining witness as well. The deputy told me that while listening to these phone calls, he heard the defendant say things such as, "This is how you take care of things," and that everybody violates their bond conditions and talks to the complainants in these cases. He also heard the defendant make statements saying that he was going to continue to violate bond, and once he gets out, he was going to hire an attorney, but he had previously learned that the defendant was indigent, and so he took this to mean that the defendant was going to commit other criminal acts to get money to hire an attorney.
Can you please notify?
This guy's acting like jail is some casual group chat instead of a lockdown cell under constant surveillance. Sending threats to witnesses from inside. That's not just stupid, it's basically handing the judge a VIP pass to stack on extra charges and tighten restrictions. In legal terms, we're talking witness tampering, intimidation, and in some states, automatic no-contact orders that cut off communication with anyone linked to the case. At this point, Judge Flecher doesn't even need the gavel. He needs a fire extinguisher for how quickly this guy is setting his own defense on fire.
The other courts as well, so that they know as well.
Yes, Judge. I just sent a full email to the felony prosecutor in case the deputy hadn't already alerted her. I just went ahead and did it. The deputy, again, is getting the transcripts for these calls, and that the defendant has been using 3 separate inmates' spin codes. That would be Jermaine Brown, Mark Diaz, and Dennis Compton.
Your privileges are hereby revoked. You are not allowed to use the jail phone at all from now on. Do you understand? I think that you are continuing to threat to the public even while being in jail. So your privileges to use the phones at all are hereby revoked.
Judge, I just, again.
She just told you.
Not even.
Please stop.
So.
And I just want to reiterate.
Please go ahead.
He's 19. You are taking away his ability to communicate with his family.
But he's making
Understood.
additional threats allegedly,
I
you
didn't
know?
threaten
Okay,
anybody.
we're going to get the records, but
Okay.
until I know that you're not a threat, I mean,
He's typing everything.
every single thing that you say on the phone is recorded.
I know that. So why would I be on it threatening people?
We'll find out because I'm going to ask, could you mind please pulling all the records, getting all the phone calls, and we'll play them out here in court and we'll see. And if it's not, then I will gladly give you your phone privileges back. But there have deputies that have pinpointed you allegedly, you and using other people's spin numbers to make phone calls, to make continuing threats, and to further criminality if and when you get out.
What criminal?
I don't want you to say anything. That's okay. We're going to find out because I'm going to have them pull all the records, pull all the phone calls, and we'll listen to everything.
Judge, I will also say that
Right now, the defense attorney might as well be tap dancing in a minefield. She's stuck defending a loaded RICO case wearing the mask of a teenager. Trying to argue he's just 19 while he's busy threatening witnesses is like showing up to a sword fight armed with a pool noodle. The court isn't moved by age when you're already thinking like a lifelong criminal. And once intimidation enters the mix, the judge has every legal reason to stop seeing you as a naive kid who slipped up hands, start treating you as a public safety hazard that needs to be locked down.
the defendant told the complaining witness, this is about the ag assault involving the firearm, that when she got shot, the defendant said that's what happens when you hang out with gangsters.
So pull all that stuff, you know, and all that stuff gets, so we need to figure out how, because it's a first for me as far as doing a revocation of privileges like that. As far as revoking phone privileges for inmates,
As far as I know, it has to be through the court order.
okay. I need to do whatever I can because it's apparently a problem now. So I guess I'll reach out to administration as well to figure out how, because I mean, it's a first for me.
Judge, just so we're all on the same page, Mr. Wiggins is obviously going back to the jail now. Even before that order is in place, you are instructing him now not to use the phone. So,
Oh.
So I did do that's so stupid.
well, we'll get the tapes and
Get it? We'll
Okay,
see.
good. Okay, but I can't call nobody. Literally nobody. So what? There's no TV in my tank. There's no nothing. What am I supposed to do?
It's jail.
What's the point?
Read a book.
There is no books. I read every book in there.
Yes.
Okay. I can't trust you to use a phone, Mr. Wiggins. I mean, you know what's happening. I have other deputies that have alerted us to what's going on. I can't. That's it. I mean, you got to know when you're in the jail, there are eyes all over you. It's like at a casino. You literally have eyes all over you at all times. You got to know that whatever you're doing is always being looked at.
Stay in bed. That's why I wasn't threatening nobody. I didn't say
he's,
anything.
he's
So-
typing everything
and then-
that you're saying.
Asking them
I
to pull it.
understand he's talking about I'm doing illegal things when I get out to hire a lawyer and all these other things. That's stupid. I never said
Stop.
anything about anything illegal. That's just
This case felt like watching someone toss a lit match into a room drenched in gasoline, then act surprised when it starts heating up. Judge Flecher didn't go nuclear, but with how recklessly this guy's been moving, I'm not sure there is a perfect sentence for someone hell-bent on self-destruction. Taking his phone is just a short-term patch. Like hiding the Sharpies from a kid who keeps tagging the walls. The real problem? He has zero grasp that his moves carry long-term consequences, not just quick timeouts. At 19, already flagged. For assault and intimidation, you're not in oops territory anymore. You're building a criminal pattern in real time. And in court, threatening a witness isn't a throwaway. It's dynamite, screams to the judge. I'm not just breaking the law, I'm trying to break the system. That's how you earn extra years, tighter lockdowns, and an ice-cold reception. From the bench, it's basically pressing the make it worse button. Judges don't shrug that off. Honestly, I wouldn't be shocked if next time he walks into court, staring down a sentence that makes today feel like the pre-show. But I want your take. Should Judge Flecher have gone harder, or was this punishment already fair? Is this just a clueless teen stacking bad choices, or the start of something way darker? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I read every single one. If you love court breakdowns with legal drama and no sugarcoating, smash that like button and hit subscribe. New videos daily. Appreciate you all for watching. See you in the next one.